Hey there, this is going to be a quick video with some market stats for our local Wesley Chapel Boulevard corridor, as well as a couple little snippets from the broader market. To answer the question, how is the market? Brian Webb with Florida Executive Realty. I live in Stagecoach, love the community, love serving people. But let's take a look at some information and satisfy some curiosity, shall we? So people ask all the time, how's the market and how's my business going? And so I want to share a couple of things about that. But let's start with the overall market. This is Tampa Bay wide and beyond. And over half the homes that are being sold are in that $300,000 to $600,000 price range, which is just about everything in our immediate area, the Wesley Chapel Boulevard corridor again. And the discount from the final list price when it goes under contract is 98%. So buyers are getting a bit of a discount. Sometimes it comes in the form of a seller credit to help pay for closing costs, different things like that. But that's the general stats there. 44% of homes are going under contract in less than a month. And we've had 4 months in a row of year-over-year price appreciation. We have seen, and I've shared this graphic a number of times, how the median sale price has kind of been flat for the past 3.5 years, and we're starting to creep up year over year. And we expect to see that continue, to be honest. So part of me feels a little weird about sharing this information, but I feel like it is a bit of social proof to let you know that I'm really a real estate agent helping people buy and sell properties. So as you can see, 4 listings active currently, from the 55 plus mobile home in Zephyr Hills to the $2 million listing in Sarasota. These are active and available if you're interested, as well as one in Esplanade, the first one you see at the top, and then the townhome in Riverview. It's a great home. Lots of good stuff, and people trusting that I will be able to help them. The ones under contract, 3 of them expected to close this month in May. One might get bumped to June, and 2 of them expected to close in June. These are active things that are going on right now, in addition to the 7 closings that I've already had. So it's a legitimate thing. I'm here to help. So if you know someone who's thinking about buying or selling, or you yourself want to have a conversation, just reach out. All right, but let's narrow down and what's going on in the Wesley Chapel Boulevard corridor. You see it's color coded: orange for March, yellow for gold for April. We don't have a lot of listings out there. These are single family homes in this area specifically. Right now, as of May 4th, May the 4th be with you, there's only one for sale in Stagecoach, for example. Just a handful, less than a handful in Grand Oaks and etc. So we don't have a lot of properties for sale right now. The days on market is less than it was last month, and the list price is lower as well. Big portion of that depends on the type of property. For example, there's one that's listed for 200,000 up near the airport, but nonetheless, those are the active stats currently right now as of today. All right, same information for the pending sales. These are the ones that went under contract in the month of March for orange, or April for gold. You see the stats there as well. So the days on market, man, April was humming. In our office alone, we had 42 contracts, and that's a busy month. So if you're thinking about selling, this is a pretty great time to be on the market if it's priced right, especially if it's renovated and updated. Buyers are hungry for that kind of property. All right, don't get freaked out. I know the median sale price from March to April, that looks like a big drop. It is significant, but so much of it depends on the type of home that was closed in that time frame. It's 1 month, and 1 month does not a trend make. Earlier, I shared that we're 4 months in a row, year-over-year price appreciation. That's a trend. So when we get to like 3 months or more, that's what we look for in trends. But I'm not concerned about prices falling at all. In fact, I think we're on the upswing, as I mentioned. Finally, a shout out to you mothers out there. You guys do incredible work. I see it firsthand in my own house. My wife and I, we have 5 kids, ranging from 5 years to a college graduate now, as of yesterday. So I am ultra appreciative of the work that my wife does. Shout out Mrs. Webb. But also, I see it. You guys do incredible stuff. You love your families. You work hard. It's incredible. I hope you have a special day. Happy Mother's Day. All right, I wanted to keep it short for you this month. I want to be your source for real estate information. So if you have questions about anything, reach out. I'm happy to provide the data that helps you make the decision that's best for you. Whether that means that you stay put or you end up buying or selling. Either way, the decision is always yours. Reach out anytime. My contact information is right there, and I'll see you around. Bye.